Hello, welcome back everyone. Welcome back guys again in my Android software tutorials, and in this project I am going to teach you how to save the data in our device. So it is a simple app for saving the data. Only we will save the primitive type data like int, float, boolean, char, character, etc. So let's start now. Start in Android Studio project. Click here and give the application name like anything shared preference data. So I'll give the name shared preferences. Click on next and select the platform whatever you like, whatever you want, and click on next and select the empty activity and click on next and click on finish. Let's wait for a moment. Okay guys, so let's start now our project. So first of all I will delete this text view and then I will delete layout. Okay guys, after that we need text and we need button for getting and saving the text. So let's create the text. Edit text and with this should be mesh parent. Height should be and height should be, I will take it 0 and one more thing we need here. Sorry guys, I need to make some changes here. I need to make this vertical, orientation vertical, and remove this padding. Change the orientation vertical and take this side. There is something, any problem? Linear layout, what is the problem? Something is wrong here. We need one more attribute here. We need the height of the layout, so pass that and write layout height, and height will be the mesh parent also. As now it is okay, and let's create a edit text. Mesh parent and 0 dp we will take height, and let's still creating the problem. Here bait, right, bait is equal 1. Now it is okay, and now we need to provide the input type. So I think input type we don't need, and now we need to provide the hint. Sorry. Okay guys, now our edit text has created, and second thing we need here button for saving and saving the data. So let's create the button. I will drag from here. And the height should be able to take it content. and with this transparent. Now it is okay, and we need to change here and write text like say data. We need one more button so for loading the data, so create that, and here we will load the data, and button ID I will load. Guys, now we have two buttons, and now we will move on to Java class, so let's move on. Guys, I will make some more changes here, so I will change the color here, and I will move this text on the here top, so let's do it now, and move the text on upon. Guys, now it is okay, and now we will move on the Java class, so let's go to main activity.java, and so first we will initialize our edit text and find it by find view id method. So initialize, I will make the object of this edit text write data. Let's initialize this now. I did not provide the ID, so I will provide the ID. Guys, let's pass it here. Guys, and after that we will create the onClick method for saving the data and loading the data. So let's do it now. So create the onClick method. So first one I will create the for saving the data. So let's create now. Pass the view argument, and in this we need to here share prefrences method for getting the text. So let's do it now. For saving the text in our device, so let's use it. Shared prefrences, and make the object of this prefrences and is equal to get shared prefrences, and here we need to pass the list. So first one I will pass the user info. Pass anything here, and then we need to pass the context. So pass context, and then we need to pass the mode private, so the other app will not be possible to access our data. So context I need to this one, sorry, context mode private. Guys, now other app will not be access our data. So after that we need to one more thing here, and then we will call the editor method. So by using the set dot editor, and make the object of editor equal to pass the object of shared prefrences, and call the method dot edit. So it will edit our data, guys, and then we will get the data from edit text, and so let's do it now by editor object of editor dot put string, and pass the key value name. So I will take it in user, no sorry, user data, and this our key value. In this we will retrieve our data by this. So user data and edit, and then we need to pass our edit text object. So write data and dot get text to string semicolon. Okay guys, and now we need to commit this for saving the data. So dot editor dot apply. I will use the apply. Okay guys, and now we will show a message for toast. For the button when button will click, then it will show a pop-up message that the data has saved. So let's do it now by toast. So toast dot make text, get application context, and pass the message, and pass the line, and make this so. Yeah, now our save the data setting is successful, and now we will load our data. So for loading the data, we need to create one more method. So for create now, so public void load data, and pass view argument view sorry, and here we need to call the get shared preferences method, and pass the key value. So let's do it now. Make the object of this preferences is equal to, here we pass to get shared preferences, and pass the key value user info, sorry, and here we also need a context. So context, and dot move private semicolon, and now we need to pass create a string. So create that string object. I will give the object of name, and name for getting the data in string. So prefrences dot get string for retrieving our string. So get string, and pass the key value name, pass our key name. Our key name is user data. This one we need to here pass this. So we are retrieving this. So pass this user data. So guys, user data, and one more thing we need to pass here. We need to pass a blank, and now we will load our data. So for loading the data, we need to create text box. We need a text. So let's create this now quickly. I forget to create that. So let's drag from here, and then next syntax in this. Make this bigger, and load data. So guys, now our data will be visible here. So let's move on. and now we will load our data. So first we need to initialize that. So initialize here also text view, and make this object of a text view. Initialize here also is equal to text view and id or id dot text view. Guys, now we will set the data in this. So come here down and set the data in this. So load data and sorry, so text view dot set text, and here we will pass the string of the name and then plus, and we will leave it blank. Okay guys, now our coding is completed. Now one more thing we need to do here. We need to copy this and add here in our save button option, and provide here on click method, and here we will provide the on click method for this button and write on click and paste that load data, and sorry, it is not here. It will cut this and paste here in this button load data, and here we need to pass this object, sorry, this method name save data. So copy that and go to main activity XML and provide the on click method and write on click and pass here save data, and now method will work. So now our coding has completed. So now we can test our app. So let's do it now. Okay guys, so let's test our app now. So click here and select your emulator and click OK, and install and continue and click OK, and let's wait few moments. Okay guys, now my application is launched in emulators, Android emulator. So let's we can test it now. So let's save any data here. So click here and type the data like hi friend, and my college name is Jasir, and today's project was about how to save data in our device using the. So it is enough. So let's save now. Click here save the data button. Guys, now data was saved, and now we will load our data. So click here. Guys, now our data has loaded. So you're watching that, and today's project about how to save data. Let's remove this now. Let's leave it, and let's remove this app completely, and let's open it again, and let's load our data. Okay, now you're watching that our data has loaded. So thank you guys for watching my tutorials. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for getting the more videos. Thank you.